Good morning, students. The continuation of the same chapter, equation of a line. Then, to write the equation, we know that the first step we need to find the slope. Three ways are there to find the slope. If theta is given, m equal to tan theta. If an equation is given, then m is equal to minus a by b. And what's the third one? 2 points given. If 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 given, then the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Look here. Here, any point which satisfies the equation of a line lies on the line. What's the theorem? Any point which satisfies the equation of a line lies on the line. One example, 3x plus 5y equal to minus 2. 2 is an equation. 3x plus 5y equal to 2. Our aim is to check that 4 minus 2 lies on this line. 4 minus 2 lies on this line. Then we can put 3 into 4. In the place of x we substitute 4 and in the place of y we substitute minus. 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 2. That is the LHS part. What is 3 fours are? 12 minus 10. What is the answer? 2. Here also the RHS is 2. That means that 4 minus 2 lies on the line 3x plus 5y equal to 2. How to check that a point lies on the line? In the place of x, we substitute the first coordinate, and in the place of y, we substitute the second coordinate. Understand? Now we continue that chapter, slope. Here, we know that three ways are there to find the slope. And next is, our aim is to prove that two lines are parallel or the two lines are perpendicular. Understand? First, our aim is to prove that two lines are parallel. How can we check that two lines are parallel? Now listen. First one, listen. 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 is a line. This is a linear equation, therefore it is a line. Next is 4x plus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. Here, the lines are 3x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0 and 4x plus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. Two lines are given. Our aim is to prove that these two lines are parallel. Understand? The condition to check two lines are parallel is their slopes are equal. To prove two lines parallel means to prove that their slopes are equal. Here that equation is given. Can you write that m1? This is an equation form. What's the formula to find m1? m1 is equal to minus a by b minus 3 by 6. What is the answer? Minus 3 by 6. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Understand? Now take the second line and find what is m2. m2 is equal to minus 4 by 8. What is minus 4 by 8? That is also minus 1 by 2. Therefore, we can say that two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel. Understand? Write another example. 5x plus 10y minus 6 equal to 0. 7x plus 14y minus 8 equal to 0. These are two lines. Then what is M1? Can you say what is M1? Minus a by b minus 5 by 10. What is the answer? Minus 1 by 2. Another example. Same M2. What is M2? That is also minus 7 by 14. That is also minus 1 by 2. Therefore, M1 equal to M2 means the slopes are equal. Then to check if two points are given, how to write the slope if 2 points are given? To prove that the point 3, 6, 5, 8 and 7, 9, 9, 11. These two points are, or these two straight lines are parallel. How can you check that? Here you can find M1. What is the formula? M1, if 2 points given, M1 is equal to y2 minus y1. 8 to minus 6 by 5 minus 3. What is the answer? What is 8 minus 6? 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. Slope is equal to 1. Here also what is M2? 9 minus 7 by 11 minus 9. What is the answer? 9 minus 7. That is equal to 2 by 2. That is also 1. If M1 equal to M2, then we can say that these two lines are parallel. Understand? The condition for parallelism is to prove that the slopes are equal. Then the next one is perpendicularity of two lines. To prove two lines to be perpendicular, the method is M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. To prove two lines to be perpendicular, what's the method? To find M1 into M2. If the answer is minus 1, then we can say that two lines are perpendicular. Or one slope is the negative reciprocal of the other. Understand? If one slope is the negative reciprocal of the other, then we can say that two lines are perpendicular. For example, suppose M1 is equal to 3 by 4 and M2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. One slope is the negative reciprocal of the other, then we can say that two lines are perpendicular. Yes, we can verify that. What is M1? 3 by 4 into M2 minus 4 by 3. After cancellation, what is the answer? Minus 1. Therefore, we can prove that two lines are perpendicular. Understand? To prove perpendicularity, what's the condition? To prove that M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. I will give you one example. 2x plus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. 5x minus 10y 10x minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. You can check that. What is your M1? Say the answer M1. M1 is equal to minus 2 by 4. What is the answer? Minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. Then what is the slope M2? m2 is equal to minus 10 by minus 5. What is the answer? 2. Then what is m1 into m2? Check that. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel. The answer is minus 1. Therefore, we can say that these two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. As you study these type, after that, we will do problems from the textbook. First, slope is given. 3 ways are there to find the slope. After that, our aim is to prove that two lines are parallel means slopes are equal. Two lines are perpendicular means one slope is the negative reciprocal of the other, or m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1.